Hello, a very good morning, children. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous class, we learned the comparison: tall, short, long, short, big, and small. Then more, less. Now we can few. Now we can learn heavy, light. Now see, heavy means more. Heavy will be that called the heavy. Light means we can carry that heavy. Light we can call that. Now you see the elephant have heavy. The butterfly have light. The apple is light. The watermelon is heavy. The pumpkin is heavy. The tomato is light. Understand? Now turn the page better. Now circle the heavy object in the each row. Now which is the heavy here? You see better. Circle that. Fruits basket. Okay. Now compass. This is the heavy. Now next, circle the light object in the row. This is the mat. Okay. Now bag. Book. No, bag. Book. Sorry, beta. Book. Okay. Now next page. Now you see inside and out. We can see the videos, beta. Inside, this inside is, understand, in inside what is the balls are there, in ball what are there you see inside. This is outside, this outside. Now okay, now we can go to next page. We can see the parrot is inside the cage. The parrot is outside the cage. The kitten are inside the basket. The kitten are outside the basket. Now see we can turn the marbles are inside the jar. The marbles are outside the jar. Okay, you understand? Inside means what? Will be inside. It is called the inside. Outside means will go outside. That is called the outside. We'll play inside game, no? We'll see it carom board. We'll see. We'll do this the carom board, chess. This inside game. Outside game means we'll play the kho-kho, kabaddi. These all outside games. Okay. Now we can see next page. Now here are small activities. See, must color it better. Here more apples in. Come on. Color the object that are inside. Apples are inside in the basket. Here also must color the ball jar in the ball. See, balls are there inside. Okay, color it. Good. Good. Can go to next page. We learn more and inside and outside. Now we can learn the top and bottom. Okay. Now you see the star is on the Christmas bottom or top of the Christmas tree. The gifts are at the bottom of the Christmas tree. Where is the gift? Where is the gift you see? Bottom. Bottom is down. Top means up. Understand? Now next picture you see. The monkey is on top of the tree. Monkey is, where is the monkey? Top of the tree. This is up. Now what is the down? We can see. The tiger is at the bottom of the tree. Where is the tiger? Down the tree. The monkey is top. And tiger is bottom. Now next picture we can see. The